Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating but concerning world of AI and the military. You've probably seen plenty of movies where AI goes rogue and tries to take over the world. As crazy as that sounds, there's actually some truth to that notion. I'm not saying the robots are going to literally rise up against us, yet. But there are some serious ethical implications we need to think about as AI gets integrated into military operations. See. Here's the thing. AI can process massive amounts of data way faster than any human. That capability could be game-changing on the battlefield. Just imagine an AI that can rapidly analyze surveillance data to identify threats, or autonomous drones that can carry out missions too dangerous for human pilots. On paper, it sounds amazing, right? But here's where things get sketchy. Handing over life and death decisions to AI systems opens up a huge can of worms. I'm talking lack of accountability, potential bias in the algorithms, and no way to understand the AI's decision-making. Let me give you an example. Last year, when the Chinese spy balloon drifted over the US, researchers asked an AI model about it. And I kid you not, the AI said it was sure China would get it right next time. Because they're Chinese. Can you see the problem here? This AI is clearly biased. It just assumes China will perfect its spy balloon tech because of racial stereotypes. Now imagine that kind of biased AI making lethal decisions on who to target on the battlefield. Absolutely terrifying, right? But bias isn't the only issue. Some AI models straight up hallucinate or make up information that isn't true. Researchers call this hallucination, and it's a huge problem plaguing even advanced models like ChatGPT today. Hallucinating AI in war zones could spread false information or make catastrophic mistakes. And here's the craziest part. With AI, it's not always clear who's accountable when something goes wrong. Is it the developers, the military brass who approved it, the president? It's a legal and moral gray zone. Contrast this with human decision-making in war, which is far from perfect, but at least falls under international laws about armed conflicts. The basics are minimizing civilian casualties and using force proportionally. But could we ever program that kind of nuanced morality into AI? Most experts think not. So in summary, AI has amazing potential benefits for the military, but comes with huge risks too. Handing over life and death powers to black box algorithms is seriously dangerous territory. And yet every major country is racing ahead to develop military AI, each one afraid of falling behind. China, for instance, wants to be the leader in AI by 2030. The US still has an edge for now, but China is catching up fast. For smaller countries, this new AI arms race is scary news. They may soon be unable to compete with the automated military power of superpowers. What I'm getting at here is that AI and the military are not just about technology, it's about geopolitics. And we need to have serious conversations on the ethics, legality, and proliferation of these systems before Pandora's box is opened.